Hey, what's going on, guys? SGK 23 TV Network. SGK 23 TV Sneaker Show. Another unboxing, another review, another shooting out plugs to the people. We got the Air Jordan Mid Special Edition, multicolor / and or Easter, or white black light bulbs, air quotes on these. I grabbed these from YCMC. Make sure you guys can get it. Peace and blessings to everybody. Hope everybody's doing well. As always, let's get right to it. Women Air Jordan 1 Mid Special Edition, 125 box, white black light bulbs. Pretty dope, ill little box. All white with gold accents, 23. Gold Jumpman. You know, regular jump off, just white with gold hits. Shoe tree, 10.5 to 12. These are female joints, so this is a size 12, 10.5 in men's. I'm a size 10 or 10.5 in Jordan 1s. But with the women's, a 10.5 feels kind of like a 10 for me. So sometimes I go with a 12. And this was a pretty ASAP, you know, sell out type of movement with these, because everybody is going to the same 74 places to cart and check out. Again, try to follow my Twitter and my Instagram for drops that are coming, for early links, so you don't have to, you know, go to them places, and you can kind of go to the low-key jump-offs, which is what I like to do, where nobody's really there. That's why I went to YCMC. I could have went back an hour, let's say an hour, 20 minutes, 30 minutes after I already purchased these and bought another pair. Super easy to cart, super easy to check out, not a big deal. Everybody else was all over the place at your regular spots, error messages, can't check out because the bots, so on and so on. You know, so this is under giving out plugs on my YouTube channel, as far as playlists, quote unquote. You understand what I'm saying? What I really like about these is that they have a hemp tongue, pretty thick hemp tongue, which is kind of giving it the Easter wave, kind of where you would put in the kids, you know, Easter eggs. It has a pretty dope Dubray. If you can see, it's pretty thick. It kind of has like a watch or a timepiece bezeled, sandwiched bezel look, like a Rolex Submariner, ceramic sandwich type of look. But in layman's term, for any of you guys, it's just a black Dubray with like a gunmetal-ish Jumpman square around it in black. And let's get to a little, you know, close-up review for you guys. Black outer, Nike, boom, boom, boom. That's the wave. That's the wave on these. Clean, 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 white mid. And then most of the sneaker is nubuck suede, patent leather, and then the panels are white leather right here. You can't oversaturate, you know, things. The Jordan 1 mid game's been crazy as far as, you know, this year, even last year a little bit. So you have this furry or long cut or just furry suede in yellow on the back. Patent leather swoosh in black. breaking all my nails unboxing things. And then you have the stitching jump off in red, zigzagging, which is pretty dope on the front. And then on the back, toe cap, toe box, pastel colors. You got that green suede, pretty furry too. White leather. You have the purple nubuck. The purple nubuck. And then you got the orange nubuck on the ankle support. Nice. You got the logo, Air Jordan trademark branding, acrylic out, Wings logo. You got the orange again, nubuck, purple nubuck. Got some orange right here. You got some furry Easter feeling type of suede. You got the zigzag jump off, and it's kind of cool because this is how Jordan 1s would be as far as authentic. You see that? Blam, 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 blam. The 2 stitches, how it should be. But this is a mid, but that's kind of cool. Patent leather swoosh. Jordan 1 white leather on the panel. Got like the UNC, the Chicago patent leather, and the UNC colorway up there, and black right there. Purple up here. The stitching right there. Again, you got this furry lime, very butter jump off. You have this tongue, which is pretty cool. Well, let's look at the patch. Jumpman Air. And this tongue is pretty cool. It's like again, like a mesh, but it's more like a thick hemp jump off. Comes with 2 extra set of laces, a pair of white joints, and a pair of rope style laces with like the purple and like the yellow on there, so you can make the tongue pop a little bit. I would tone these down a little bit for me, I think. Black laces, white laces, I don't know. Got a lot going on, so you can play around with laces on these. Inside, black footbed with Jumpman, no air. Look at my nail, I'm broke. The back of the tongue, let's look at the ticket to snatch. There it is. 12 US, 10.5 in men's. And you got, again, this thick, pretty dope hemp tongue, kind of with the Easter vibe, you know, like a basket, like an Easter basket where you would put the eggs, and, you know, with the Easter theme, you got the whole pastel color, you know, Easter type of theme. Kind of like the eggs, the zigzagging, the hemp tongue, pretty dope. I really like these, but again, don't oversaturate it, Jordan, with the mids and start going crazy, just putting colors together and, you know, doing things too much. Give some exclusivity to some of these pieces, like the Fearless Pack. These were really nice, sold out ASAP. But again, right now, everything and anything is not too expensive, so things are not too expensive right now. Even the joints that would be 8,000, you probably can get them for 4,300, you know. And again, peace and blessings. Hope everybody's doing well. If you guys like this unboxing, this review, you guys can support your boy by hitting the thumbs up, the subscribe, the share button, so more people come in, because they're trying to shadow ban me because of the content that I do and because certain things I talk about and in my big mouth. But pretty nice pair of joints right here. They do the women's situation on purpose, you know, to get double the money. But hey, it is what it is. That's a beautiful look right there. And yeah, again, try to, if you guys want to, it's not like I'm trying to get numbers. If you guys want to, make sure to follow my Instagram, follow the Twitter, so you guys can, you know, kind of, you know, go where I go when it's popping. You know, if I strike out, I strike out. But if I hit, I hit, you know. Everybody couldn't get these without the box, you know what I'm saying? But I have the plugs or the secret spots or giving out plugs on my playlist, you know, just because, you know, years in the industry, doing this, you kind of know some things sometimes. And I'm not greedy. I won't do it first and then post it when it's gone. I let everybody know. So some people hit and I don't. Last looks and I'm out. Peace and blessings. One love to everybody. Again, pretty simple on these. Multicolor, Easter themed, 2 sets of laces, white mid, white leather on the panels. Everything else is nubuck, long cut furry suede on the toe, around the toe cap, toe box, on the back, on the heel, ankle, everything else nubuck, butter biscuits, UNC patent leather, black patent leather. Again, the mesh hemp type of tongue, the Rolex Submariner type of Dubray on the front. The red stitching makes it pop. Good quality, no flaws. Great pickup at $125. And I got them from YMC. I'll post the link down there. A lot of steals they had for $43, $55, $64. As far as some dope kicks, you know. And then the heat came through. And blam, that was that.